What's up guys, Zach here. Something awesome came in. You can probably tell by the box already what it is. Got a new seat for Lilith, my 2019 Harley Iron 883. Went with the Mustang seat, ordered from Revzilla, got here super fast, and can't wait to see what's in the box. But I gotta go grab the wife because she's excited, because this means she can ride on the back and we can go for rides together. So hang tight, let me go get her. Alright, wifey's here. Say hi, wifey.
Oh man, hi. What?
Why you gotta say it like that?
I didn't know you were gonna call me out like that.
It's my job to call you out like that, keep you on your toes.
Yeah, whatever.
Alright. Put my axe away before I cut myself. Here you go, babe. New seat.
Aw. This is one of those new transparent ones.
Oh. I like it already. I ain't even got it out of the plastic yet. They put zip ties around the plastic.
Usually they don't bother.
I'm literally right next to the toolbox. I guess I can use these obscenely large tools.
Oh god.
That's a little much. Just so you guys know, this is how you cut a zip tie. But I did notice something else. We got stickers on the back of the box.
Oh, I thought you were gonna talk about the dent on the box. I'm like, really good.
Oh, I don't care about the dent.
Like, a little particular.
Come on, Revzilla, I don't have a dent in my cardboard. Sick of you.
I'd imagine.
Packing slip. Daggone, look at those stickers.
I like that graphic.
You like that one?
Mm-hmm.
I guess you can have that one.
Where am I gonna put it?
I don't know, on your face? There she is, the Mustang Fastback. Alright, now we're gonna show you how to put it on. Alright guys, here we are at the side of the bike. I want to go ahead and apologize for my messy ass garage. It's a bit of a cluster in here. So what we're going to need first is a flathead screwdriver to remove this fastener that holds on the factory seat. That comes out rather simple. Set this over there. And then we just lift up back here, give it a push forward, and it comes right off. Alright guys, always check your instructions because I actually didn't have to take that insert out and I did anyway. So just an extra step I didn't have to do. And now we're going to slide the nose up in there like that. Use the factory fastener that was on our seat originally, okay? Make sure that's good and snug. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Takes 5 minutes, not a big deal at all. Nice and tight on there. Fits up really good against the tank here. Feels like it's gonna be really comfortable. Starting to get dark out now, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and throw my helmet on, get the GoPro fired up, and give you guys my first impressions of the Mustang Fastback seat. Be right back. Welcome to the road, guys. Alright man, my first impressions, I gotta say, this seat is hard as a freaking rock. Now I understand there's a break-in period, right? So I was kind of expecting that shit. but this is like sitting on a piece of freaking concrete at the moment. I'm not gonna bitch too much. I do feel higher, and I'm definitely further back because my bars are leaned a little forward for a little bit of aesthetics and a little bit of how the stock seat was. But in the last 2 days, now with the new seat and my new forward controls, I feel like I'm like I am, I don't know, scrunched up, not scrunched up, stretched out, like super stretched out. So I need to adjust my bars. Hell, I'm gonna get a ticket, y'all. Yep, here it comes. The back support is really nice on this seat. It really holds me on the bike. So I was saying I just put forwards on. I just put forward controls on, and I felt like I was sliding a lot more because I don't have my legs up against the bike as much. So now, with the nice little back support that the Mustang Fastback's giving me right now, I really feel like I can't slide. Like I physically cannot slide backwards. So far, I feel like a lot more of my butt is, how do I put this? Like the seat, my butt contacts the seat a lot more than it did with the stock iron 883 seat, okay? Or the stock iron seat, whatever. So my butt has a lot more contact with the seat, but I am definitely higher up and pushed back. I would say about an inch both ways. Inch higher and an inch further back. Yeah, but this thing's really holding me in. I'm impressed with that for sure. So I ordered this seat from Revzilla. It got here pretty quick, reasonably fast. So I was happy with that. I've never actually ordered from Revzilla before. This was the first time, so thank you guys over at Revzilla for getting me my seat so quickly so that I can break this thing in hopefully relatively quick. So now, guys, I didn't make install videos for the forward controls. I didn't make install video. I also put passenger pegs on. I didn't make an install video for that. For the passenger pegs, I actually did a live stream on Twitch TV. So if you guys are on Twitch, shoot me a follow. It's Zach First Person YT, like Zach First Person YouTube, on Twitch TV, since YouTube won't let me do live streams because I don't have 1,000 subscribers. So what I was trying to say was I did a live stream on the passenger pegs. I didn't shoot a video for the forward control installation, mostly because there's a ton of great tutorials out there by far bigger names, so mine would just get washed away. But I'm glad I got to do the install video for the seat. I feel like that was pretty cool because it was also something within my skill set to record. I'm not the best at making install videos, as you guys saw with my headlight install video. I'm not the best at that. I will work on it sometime in the future, but I need to get a proper microphone set up for my DSLR, or a headband strap for my GoPro, or something like that to make install videos a little better, because I'm having trouble making them any good. But that's going to be about it, guys. Seats installed. First impressions are it's pretty hard, pretty stiff. I'm looking forward to what it's going to feel like after the break-in. I'll keep you guys updated on how long it takes to break in. Really good back support. I really like that a lot. So I will have the wife on the bike here very soon, and I can give you an update status on how the passenger comfort is. Yeah, I feel like I can really give her the beans, and I'm not going anywhere on this seat, so be on the lookout for an update video on break-in period and a passenger review. We'll see how my wife likes it here in the next couple days. So, but that's it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like. If you hate it, go ahead and thumb it down. And if you want to stick around and check out some more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for being awesome, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.